We're going to talk about a project that came in to Rick's shop, and it's a drawer. It's a nice drawer overall, but we want to talk about this right here, the facing of the wood, the way that they put that together. Tell us what went wrong with that, or why that's not a good setup, Rick.
Well, there's two different kinds of strength when you're talking about putting something together. One is called the tensile strength, which is when things pull apart, like a cable, the tensile strength. And the other one is called shear, the shear action, like trying to cut a cable in half. And what you want to do is you want to put something together so that it has a shear action. In other words, this is depending on tensile strength, the tensile strength of the glue joint, the tensile strength of whatever nails or whatever connection he has through the face of this drawer. So that when the drawer slams, every time this drawer slams, it's like hitting this. Every time it slams, it's like hitting this and hitting this. And if there's weight in this drawer, the weight wants to stay still or the weight wants to continue. So if you have weight in the drawer and you slam the door, it's like hitting this and the weight's still trying to go that direction. The weight wants to go in that direction. The drawer is going to stop at the face of the cabinet, and this is going to eventually pull loose because the tensile strength of whatever this joint is dependent upon that. So he should have had this on the side of the drawer, which would have been on the side or cut into the face of the drawer where you wouldn't see the side of the drawer, but you would have this cut down into the face of the drawer, or rabbited, say, and then you'd have the strength because now this would be going into here, and the shear action of the nail or the wood or the glue is going to be a greater, is going to be stronger than the tensile strength this way. And that's what they should have done in this drawer. So eventually this is going to pull apart.
All right, so we're going to, a little bit later on, show an example of how to put a drawer face on properly.
And there's several ways.
And we'll cover one or two of them.
Yeah.